Hello my people, mkoaje? Leo na prepare zile vitu zangu za kurolia nywele. So I told you I do extension local hair extension. So these things here you can see. Yeah, you can see. Sticks. Yeah, if I get a tree whereby imenyooka kama hivi, napenda sana. That's why naona ninazitengeneza. Yes, locally. Hata kama hauna hizo material marollers nini, but you can do it locally. Usiweke hapo. So kuna this very long stick, unaiona? Yes. Baba yes. I'm cutting using a knife. Cutting using a knife. I don't measure. No measuring here. Okay. Hapa ni kukata tu. Hapa ni kukata tu. Size yenye unataka tu. Una measure kulingana na macho yako. Yes. You can see them there. Jamani, niko na mpaka mandizi. Plantain. Soon we are going to eat plantain, guys. Uzuri wa waitwaje? Uzuri wa ushago village. Village life is so amazing, guys. Kama uko na kakilo, kama kwa mfuko hakuna kitu, my friend, are going to suffer. Yeah, village life is so amazing. Very, very amazing. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. And the next step, I'm going to show you again when I'm doing it. Last time I did it, but there was a part I didn't show you guys, the boiling water part. So this one is gonna be a very, I will make a video rolling them with the used hairpiece, and then I will boil water. I will show you how I boil the water and how I put them to the hairpiece roll, yeah. Utaona kila kitu hapo mwisho. The other video, I came to realize like, as in hakuna pati moja. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.